Welcome to MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. My name is Dean Ashton, and today we're on board a 2025 Sea Ray 250 SDX Outboard. This is the new body style from Sea Ray. As you'll see in the photos, the boat has the black hull sides with white sports arch and black inlays. For power, we've set it up with the V8 Mercury 300 horsepower. Nice big swim platform for easy boarding. Concealed swim ladder here on the swim platform. Nice big sun pad. You have a freshwater system and sprayer here on the port side. Nice big walkway into the cockpit of the boat. One of the cool features about this boat is you have an adjustable backrest here that allows to lay down as a lounger or upright for back support. Another great feature is the amount of storage you get in this boat being an outboard. Underneath the sun pad, you have plenty of space to put your gear bags, fenders, water toys, nice wraparound seating. As I mentioned earlier, you got the white sports arch with a nice big integrated bimini top, adjustable backrest for the companion seat as well as the helm to give you either an aft-facing lounger or forward-facing seat. At the helm, you have the Simrad digital dash, which gives you all of your GPS and depth finder functions as well as your engine data. Flip-up bolster, digital throttle and shift. This boat has the Lenco trim tabs. Another great feature is you have a nice big head compartment under the console. This has a filler cushion set that you can use it as a small berth, and it also has a freshwater sink. Your stereo controls are here on the port side. Nice designated storage here underneath the console. SeaDek matting all the way throughout the boat, soft under your feet, but also a great look and also cuts down on the glare, which is nice. Wraparound seating in the bow of the boat. And this boat also has a designated anchor locker in the bow. And another freshwater sprayer up in the bow. That's a real quick look at our 2025 Sea Ray 250 SDX Outboard. If you'd like some more information, give us a call at 910-256-8100.